Okay, serious question. When did we decide making money online had to be complicated? What if you just stacked fives? That's it. Just stack fives. Introducing the passive cash system, the easiest little moneymaker online. Here's the super complicated strategy. Ready? Step 1. Get your done-for-you landing page. Step 2. Share your link. Step 3. Every sale, you get $5. That's a 5, and it doesn't stop there. You get paid on 3 levels. So while you're stacking your fives, your network is stacking fives, and their network is stacking fives. Before you know it, you're not just stacking fives, you're building a wall of fives. No funnels to build, no tech nightmares, no commission caps, just simple, repeatable, stackable. If you can count to 5, you can do this. Click below, grab your spot, and start stacking those fives today. Let's stack them up.